Now we'll see one more program, which is recursive program, and very small program. And here I would like to tell one important point through this program. Okay, so here what is happening is in main method. So we are calling a function f two times. Okay, f of 2, f of 2. So here in this f of 2 and f of 2, like function call is same, but still, so they might get different outputs. Okay, that's why you should be very careful. When you have to careful, I will tell you. So first of all, we execute this program. After that, we'll try to generalize it. So why these two function calls give different answers. Okay, let's begin. First, f of 2. So there is a global variable a equal to 0. You remember it. So that will be 0 first. Okay. Then control comes here. Then int n. So when I pass n value 2, then what happens? F of 2 will be executed. I am executing f of 2. Then first 2 less than or equal to 1. It is not recursive program, of course. So 2 less than or equal to 1. Condition false, right? Then control comes here. 2 greater than or equal to 2. Yes. And 2 equal to 0. Sorry, a is what? 0, right? Okay. 0 equal to 0. True. So 2 greater than or equal to 2. N greater than or equal to 2. And a is 0. Correct. Then increment a equal to a plus 1, which is global variable. So increment it. Then printf gate. So gate will be printed because of f of 2. We are in f of 2, remember. After that, return. So f of 2 is closed, right? Then control comes back to next line. What is that? Again f of 2. Let's open a new function called f of 2 where n value 2. Same code. Then you think, sir, when we called first time, so n value 2, then we printed gate at the same time. If I do same thing, then you should print gate. So why you get different answer? Let's try. 2 less than or equal to 1, false as it is. Then control comes here. 2 greater than or equal to 2. Yes. But a was incremented by the previous method. Then this time a will become 1. 1 equal to 0. False. Then this if condition will become false and control comes here. Then printf book. Then this will print book. Finally, so one method prints gate, second method prints book. Understand? After that method will be closed. So what I would like to tell you is, when you have a function call with same signature, then still they might print different outputs. That's why. So why it is printing different output each time, I will tell you. There is a global variable, its status has been changed. I can say this global variable as environment, right? So initial environment is different from next environment. That's why any method, if it is a recursive method also, if that recursive method is depending on the environment, that means, example, you have a function call f, function call f, function call with same parameters and same values, then if this function and this function and this function, all these functions, are they working on same environment is important. So here these two function calls are not working on same environment. Generally, so why environment gets changed? Because of the global variables modifications. This method f is, modifying global variable a, that's why environment has been changed. That is one thing. Second one, what can happen is, so that is one important thing. Second thing, so your function might have a static local variable, So that static variable's lifetime also throughout the method. That means that is going to be live forever, right? Such static method if you have, then what can happen is, so your function first call might change its value. Example, there is one static variable, its value is 2. Okay, then this function may change it to 3. So because of that, another function will behave in a different way because of the static variables, right? If there is no static variable, okay, there is no global variable, which is accessed by your function. In that situation, if your entire function is only depending on the local variables, then any number of times you call it, that will give the same output. Remember it. So for that, environment should be in the high level. The environment should be same every time. That is one thing. How to ensure that every environment is same is generally, so such functions who maintain same environment, they don't disturb the environment. That means they don't access global variables. Second thing, if and all if they access global variables also, they should not modify them. Then such function calls always give the same output. Okay, so it comes by practice. If you solve some problems which are recursive problems or any function problems, then you get experience and you will understand them. Okay, so I gave you rough idea, you just remember it throughout the year. Okay.